What's going on, y'all? So today's trade review video of my live trade is going to be Tuesday, October 2nd. And I wanted to highlight this one and show my commentary on it because today's framework was just beautiful. These are the days that you want every day to look like this. So basically, I was done in less than 10 minutes after the open today. And it was just beautiful framework. Everything looked great. The market did exactly what it should do. So I'm not going to hold you up. I want you to jump right into this live trade review. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let's hop right into it. So what I wanted to show is that right here we have equal lows, relatively equal lows, very clear. Right here. Sell side liquidity. Up here we had buy side liquidity. Price at 8:30 took buy side liquidity. So now it's going to run out sell side liquidity. So we want to see what happens at the 15-minute gap. And then we wanted to take a trade. A short would be right here in this 15-minute gap. So let's see. So we have the close here, opening range gap high. Then we had the open here. And there's the low. Close there, open there, and there's the middle. So it opened and it went right to the middle. So this is where you start looking for a short. You can start looking for a short because I'm short biased today. So now we might have this gap. So let's see here. 9:30. Here's our first presented fair value gap. We want to see what happens in it. Right here. Because I have a short bias to go down here. I'm short. I'm going right down to the sell side liquidity right here. It's the first presented fair value gap. Because we took buy side liquidity, we already hit the middle of the opening range gap. Now we're going to take this down to sell side liquidity. It should run sell side liquidity here. I'll stop right up here. And we're just going to wait, and it should run this sell side liquidity here. It hit London low. But, I mean, this is like perfect framework today. It should not come back above this, especially it hit the middle right here, respected it. It should not come back up through that middle. So I can actually tighten my stop a little bit. And I can actually move to break even. And there we go. Done for the day.
Yeah.